Securities and Exchange Board of India. Establishment of SEBI. The Securities and Exchange Board of India was established as a statutory body in the year 1992, and the provisions of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act, 1992, 15 of 1992, came into force on January 30, 1992. Controls of SEBI. SEBI is run by its board of members. The board consists of a chairman and several other whole-time and part-time members. The chairman is nominated by the Union government. Scope of SEBI. It is a statutory regulatory body that was established by the Government of India in 1992 for protecting the interests of investors investing in securities along with regulating the securities market. SEBI also regulates how the stock market and mutual funds function. Organizational structure of SEBI. The board consists of a chairman, nominated by the Government of India, and several other members, including representatives from various stakeholders, such as the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, the Ministry of Finance, and other regulatory bodies. Major achievements of SEBI. Dematerialization of shares. Shortening settlement cycles. Initiating nationwide electronic trading. Introducing risk management systems. Establishing clearing corporations. Nurturing the mutual fund industry. Dematerialization of shares. Dematerialization is the process by which physical certificates of an investor are converted to an equivalent number of securities in electronic form and credited into the BO's account with his DP. Shortening settlement cycles. SEBI has progressively shortened the settlement cycle over the years, with T+1 settlement fully implemented from January 2023. This move is a natural progression towards further improving the efficiency and safety of the Indian securities market. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, regulates electronic trading in India, including approval time. SEBI recently reduced the time it takes for stock exchanges to approve stockbrokers for internet-based trading from 30 days to 7 days. Security. SEBI requires secure access, encryption, and communication security for internet-based trading. User identification. SEBI requires adequate measures for user identification, authentication, and access control. Algo trading. SEBI introduced algo trading in India in 2008 through Direct Market Access, DMA. DMA allows brokers to offer their clients direct access to the exchange's trading system. Risk management function, to be mandated by SEBI. This function will be responsible for identifying, evaluating or measuring all risks inherent in a mutual fund organization, as well as establishing controls to mitigate such risks. Establishing clearing corporations. The SECC regulations mandated setting up of clearing corporations, CCPs, as a legal entity, separate from the stock exchange, for the purpose of clearing and settling of trades. Nurturing the mutual fund industry. As far as mutual funds are concerned, SEBI formulates policies, regulates and supervises mutual funds with an aim to protect the interest of the investors. SEBI notified the regulations for mutual funds in 1993. Thereafter, mutual funds sponsored by private sector entities were allowed to enter the capital market.